built yesterday. So now everything is being deleted and it's not available. So there is some technical glitch with the hosting panel. Okay. So we have to approach the hosting company and have to get that fixed by them. Right. So we'll see if that has got fixed by any chance. If that is fixed, we'll try launching a website again. So application browser. Install this application. So yesterday we have learned all this, correct? Yeah. So why I'm reinstalling is instead of building the website through artificial intelligence through that plugin, we will try doing it in a different way today, right? So that's why I have deleted it. Fab, yeah, this is where we're going to install our new website. I will mark it as Fab. It's already installed. I deleted it yesterday. I deleted it. So we're going to install again once again. We don't have to delete that. We could have simply started building a website, but in the evening batch I had to show them how to build again. So that's when I deleted it. I tried launching a new website, but that did not happen. So that's when I thought I'll be able to launch by deleting this, but there was a technical glitch and I couldn't really install application on this also. I'm just giving a try now once again. So if this is not working out, I'll have to speak to the hosting provider. GoDaddy is the service that we have opted. So I'll have to speak to GoDaddy and have to get this fixed. Okay. So anyways, if this is not working now, we already have a different WordPress instance and we're going to understand from there how to build the application. Yeah. Click on install and see if that works. I think it's working. That's why it's showing processing. Yeah, it's working. It's very unfortunate that yesterday evening batch I had to show all this morning recording to them. Yeah. So whomsoever have missed the yesterday's class, so the recordings are available for you. Please go through it. There are 2 or 3 recordings. So if you can cope up with it, so you'll be able to understand everything from here on. Okay. Okay. So your website is built. Just reload this. Yeah, this is how your website is. Correct? Now let's assume see yesterday using artificial intelligence we have built a training website, correct? Digital marketing training website. Now let's assume our requirement is to build an e-commerce website. What should we do in that case? E-commerce website, something like Flipkart, Amazon, so where you should be able to upload the product, sell the product, receive the payment, correct? You should be able to handle the stages of the product. Is production in stage or dispatched? After dispatch is the product delivered? Yeah, we should be able to handle all of these things, right? So all of these things can be still built on a WordPress. Okay, before that let's take a look at our WordPress application, how it is. So your WordPress application backend, you will always log in using wp-admin. Okay, and when you click on that, it asks for username and password. Now it directly signs in because we are visiting it from the instance where we have hosted the application, right? So this is how it looks. And yesterday we have tried building the web pages using the WordPress editor, correct? So if you think WordPress editor is difficult to use, you can install other kinds of plugins. Let's say Elementor or WP Bakery, or there are various kinds of plugins. That is one more option using which you can build your web pages. So page builder, page, you just search for page builder and you'll get to see so many plugins and you can install one of them. Yeah, so this is one of the popular page builder plugin. So what it does is, see, if you have to build a web page, you have to write HTML, CSS and JavaScript, correct? But now by using this, you don't have to write anything. You just have to drag and drop. You just have to drag and drop. Okay, so I think we are on the paid version on this website. So in that case, okay, anyways, I'll show it to you how to install that plugin here. Yeah, just click on install now. It is very much similar to you installing a app on your mobile phone. So you go to the Play Store and App Store and you install the application, right? To order food or to book a train ticket, bus ticket, flight ticket, right? So same way, this application that you install will help you to build your web pages beautifully, right? But this free version doesn't really provide all the options for you. There will be restrictions. Okay, so let's click on activate. See, there are many other page builders. Page builder by site origin. So all these are page builders. Page builder, Gutenberg blocks, right? There's so many, right? Yeah, let's activate it. It will show you to the left side now on activating it. So create an account, upgrade. So skip this step. Every site starts with a theme. Continue with hello theme. Maybe you can explore their themes and you can apply their themes, or you can skip this step. See, Qatar for you is a directory. Okay. So you are able to log in. You see there are so many options, and you see Elementor here, right? And we have just now installed Elementor. There was a problem activating hello theme. Continue with hello theme, or just let me skip this. Now let's give your site a name. I'll skip this as well. Have a logo, add it here. I'll skip this as well. That's a wrap. What's next? Skip everything. I know how to use this page builder. I'll use it differently. I'm not going to see this page builder doesn't only allow you to build the page as you need. It also gives you some themes which you can apply and you can start using them. Some pages, some designs, some templates. Okay. Yeah. So it's allowing you to build a sample page. So look at this. You want heading. So first, before that, click on this and use one of the containers. Now, your heading got added. I'm just dragging and dropping. If you observe that, add your heading text. This is the okay. Let me do one thing. I'll start creating a new page. Not from this, not a post. Leave this. Pages. Add new page. See, this was not there earlier yesterday. If you look at this, this was not there, and it's showing up now. Okay. So let me add practicing. It's showing choose a pattern. Let's allow to load this. So this is from the normal WordPress editor. It's showing some patterns. Let me close this. Yeah, here I'll add a title. Practicing the Elementor builder. Okay. So let me publish this first. Okay, and see how the page looks. Nothing, right? Just heading, right? Now click on edit page and So now here template. So you can pick Elementor full width. Your page will be of full width. Update it. And now click on. Now you can edit. See now using this option will be the WP editor, the regular default editor of the WordPress. Now I don't want to use the default editor of the WordPress. Correct? I want to use Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor. So Elementor features will start loading here for you. Okay. Using the Elementor, you can build beautiful web pages. If you are on paid version, you can build better pages. Free version will have limited options, right? But then let's try it out. Let's see how this is going to help us. Okay. So I have dragged and drop a container. Okay. Inside this container, I can add any element. So let me try a banner or a photo. See, now you see all these lock options. A lot of these are not available for you. This doesn't have any lock options. Okay, let me search banner or image, right? You can set the height, width, everything. Medium, advanced. Okay. See here you could see width of the image, full width, 100% inline. So you can play around with all of these options or features. And now what is the height of the image? It seems to be very high, but let's upload an image and try it out. So what I'll do is I'll double click on this, and that's when it allows me to pick the image. Coming back content. Here, choose image. So upload files, select files. I'll upload one of the files from my computer. See, media library is a repository of your images uploaded to your WordPress website. Once you have uploaded some 50, 60 photos, you can use the same anywhere that you want while building any page. It's something like photos are sitting in your mobile phone in a gallery, and you can use these photos and publish on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, right? So same way, if the photos are sitting on the media library here, you can use the same photos whenever you are creating a new page. I just click on open. So yesterday we were discussing always the image, the alt text has to be filled. We will understand better about this on the go. What is this alt tag and why it needs to be filled? For now, I'll not fill. I'll just proceed. I'll just select it and proceed. Still loading, uploading. Yeah, select. Done. Now again, I want to add one more section. So what I can do is, yeah, I'll bring in the heading. Okay, this heading text I can change it here, right? And next, what else we want to do? Image is done. Text editor. Every time I have to pick a structure where I want to add the content. So now I'm going to take, let's say, Google Maps. Okay. And then, so Google Maps, this will allow you to change all the details. Now click on this, again container. So then what else you want? You want a text editor, right? So here You can publish any piece of content, any length of content that you want, right? So now if you look at this, your page is getting built, right? And now you can build a beautiful page like this. Let me use this edit with Elementor. This is the paid version. Okay. See, actually, this website is not built like this way. It's not built like what I'm showing here, right? So there is another shortcut which we have used in building the website, which I'm going to show it to you all. See, now you understand here also certain amount of effort is involved in building this page. So yesterday we just built it in few clicks, correct? You all remember using the artificial intelligence. If not artificial intelligence, before that the previous stage there was an option to pick the templates as well. You could have picked any template that you want without using artificial intelligence. You could have just given the category of your website, right? And now the second method is you can use Elementor and you can build any pages as per your creative skills, your thought process. Now look at this. Now, now again, my thought process says let's have a section something like this. Okay, here I'll add form. Where are forms? Okay, I cannot add this. See, it says upgrade. This is a contact form I'm trying to add, and it says you have to upgrade, right? So in this case, Elementor is not really serving the purpose. At least the WordPress editor, there are no such restrictions. WordPress editor, correct? Now, if I have to, if I think of convenience, or if I am used to Elementor, and if I have to still build a web page using Elementor, then I have to go with the paid version. If not, I'll stop using Elementor. I'll just update this. Instead of Elementor, I'll start building that web page using the WordPress builder. Now click on plus pages. So which is that page practicing the element builder? I'll just click on edit. I'm not going to use Elementor now. Back to WordPress editor. You are switching to not compatible. So now when you are using new editor, the rules of the previous editor and the new editor will be different, and things won't be the same. If a half page is built in one editor and if you are trying to build it in another editor, now things will not appear to be the same, right? So that being the reason, it's loading I guess still. Yesterday we have learned how to build using the WordPress editor, correct? Correct. Everybody aware of it, like how to build a website using the WordPress editor. Elementor, I'll show you. If it is not the paid version, if I can do it here, I'll show it to you. Yeah, using Elementor, does this? Yeah, even this has all lock options. So this ideally should not have the lock options. If I am verifying it with the passwords, I have the password of this. It will start showing me the all the options. I can use all the options, but before that, I'll show you something else. You all understood, right, how to build a website now? One is you can use WP editor, the default editor of the WordPress. Second is you can use one of the plugins such as the starter templates. Yesterday we had download a template called starter starter templates, and using the options, they have multiple templates. You can pick one of them, or we used the options such as the artificial intelligence tool, and we built a template by providing the information such as the website name, contact details, phone number, address, correct, about the business, and it created a beautiful website for us, right? And third option is instead of using the WordPress default editor, you can use some other editors, right? So I'll show that to you here. Elementor, since I don't have the paid version and I don't want to buy a paid version now, if not Elementor, I'll show you the other builders. There is something called as Flatsum. Okay, so Flatsum is a different builder. Now here look at this, how easy it's to build. See, I am very comfortable with Flatsum editor. Okay, I'll show you that as well. Page add new. Oh, sorry. So I'll click on add new. No, no, no. This is the paid thing. Let me show you what I have done even before using this editor. Okay. So now, which all can you all repeat it? Which are the different methods of building websites? Default WordPress editor. Elementor builder. You can use Elementor builder. See, uh, you are going to build it manually the website. Either you will use WordPress editor, or you will use Elementor, or you can use any other builder editor. Huh? Yeah, built-in templates. So we have used starter templates, one another plugin, and we picked a template from there. That is the second method. See, first method is you're going to build your website manually by dragging and dropping. For that, you will use either the WordPress builder, or you will use the Elementor builder, or any other builder. Correct? Second method is you have used the default template, starter templates. You did not do anything. You just adapted a template, and you can edit that template and build using the first method again. On top of it, you can add any components that you want. See, third method, there is a beautiful method. So people don't want to waste time in dragging and dropping. Or sometimes what happens is when they build it from the starter templates, the template may not be serving their purpose. So there is one more option, Themeforest. See, this is like Amazon Marketplace. You buy so many products from Amazon, but people sell products. See, Amazon is not selling the products. Amazon is not selling. It's like people like you and me. There are so many hundreds of businesses who upload their products and they sell. Same way, this is the place where you can buy the templates for your websites. And in just few clicks, your website will be ready. So, for example, this website was not built by anyone. So we bought a template, and in just 3 to 4 clicks, the website is ready with all the functionalities or features. So you see here where to look, what to look, all categories. So I'm looking for hotels. What are you looking for? I'll just search. I have no clue at this moment what kind of keywords or terms I should be using. All this functionality also comes with your website. So right side that's supposed to be maps to be loading, the maps API is not configured. See, all this have to be added manually again. That's a different thing. Okay. So add a listing. So if somebody wants to add their business here, so place, so they'll have to pay and they'll have to add their business. All these feature options, it's not built by me. They all have come with the theme. So what I have done is here, I just started understanding. See, this is the marketplace where you can find any kind of theme needed for your business. See, if you are into real estate, there are amazing real estate things. So for example, let me type real estate in WordPress. Okay. Yeah. So now on Amazon, you will purchase the product based on the ratings, correct? Based on the ratings, number of people who has bought, number of reviews. Same way here, you could see 27.4k sales. This indicates this theme could be the best theme. The possibility of it being seen, it has 5-star ratings and there are 1.6k reviews, right? Live preview. Take a look at this, and in just few clicks your website can be exactly like this. And definitely you can change the see the demos. This is where you will see the demos. Yeah. Now, so when you purchase this theme, they will give you so many templates, 1 2 3 multiple options, the front pages, basically how you want to present your web page. So let's start exploring the first one, how it looks. See, if you are purchasing this theme and if you are importing this complete theme, I'll show you how to import also. So your website is going to look like this, just few clicks. Sales, rentals, invest, right? Sales, property type, apartments, property city, Jersey city. So this data all can be updated as per your information. But functionalities all would remain same, exactly the same. Okay. Done and select price. Done, whatever it is. Search. So it's showing you all these are functionalities. So now using builder you will be able to just drag and drop and build a simple web pages. But these functionalities you won't be able to build on WordPress until unless you learn PHP. Until unless you learn PHP, the backend programming language, correct? Because this is all it's not happening just because of drag and drop. All these functionalities, the filters, everything is working because it's all coded in PHP, right? So when you purchase this theme, all those automatically comes along with that theme. So for example, look at uh, this theme. You see all these options, listing types. See, this is not there on this theme. Okay, we are on a different page now. I'll show it to you. But for now, you just observe this listing types, listings. See, there are so many options. The functionalities, the functional components. See, when you purchase a theme, all these functional components will be part of your theme. Correct? You understand that you can build only a simple web page using your drag and drop options, using your website builder. But how about all these functionalities? You won't be able to build, right? So what people have done is there's so many people who have deeper expertise on this. They are building all of this for you, not only the front end but also the functionality part, the features for you to upload the listings. See, if you see these listings, add new listing. Your WordPress website by default did not have that. Correct. So these functionalities can also be installed. There are plugins like listing plugins, directory plugins, right? But then many times certain amounts of customization is needed, or you might find difficulty in finding the best plugin for your website, right? Or you might have to purchase certain plugins. See, now if you are purchasing this plugin, let's assume, and if this is using Elementor, you don't have to purchase Elementor. You will get Elementor plugin for free along with this website, along with this theme. So exactly that's what has happened with this as well. So I purchased a theme called My Listing, and I installed My Listing here, and along with My Listing I got the Elementor as well, the paid version. So I have to re-verify now. So you see here theme tools, it will ask us to verify your theme from the theme tools. Uh, Demo import, start code, theme options. See, all these options, features, control mechanism, everything comes along with your theme. I'll show you another thing for you. Yeah. So look at this. This see now this website has different kinds of pages. You don't have to do anything. The only thing that you have to do is you just find whichever is aligned with your business. Houses is also one of the popular thing. Okay. So live preview this 42.4k sales and they are selling this at just $69. Let's assume it's $70. So that is 5,600 rupees, around 5,000 rupees. So you have to buy this by spending 5,000 rupees, and if you install, you're going to get a beautiful website. Correct? It's not that difficult now if you're purchasing theme. So now what is needed for you to build a website? Domain name, hosting, or hosting plus a skill set to build a domain by yourself, right? And backend functionalities. It's not that you have to compulsorily write a PHP. There are plugins for all of this as well. Okay, I'll show you those plugins as well. So if not, alternatively, what you can do is there are readily available themes which will come along with the inbuilt functionalities as well. They will have PHP also part of these themes. The functionalities will be part of these themes. You can simply buy these themes. So when you buy, what happens? So you will see all of them under your profile downloads. Okay. So now you can download. You can click on installable WordPress file only download. Let me. So I have bought these many number of themes. Houses, see how I bought houses theme long back, and I am not using this theme. Okay, so it can be wedding vendor directory WordPress theme, job career theme. I'm not using. See, I spent 5,000 on this, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. So many 5,000s, right? Of all this, I'm using this theme, and this one is in use, and this one is in use, and none of this using. I'm not using any of the other things. Okay. So now let's quickly download one of these things. Let's download all this installable WordPress files only. See, license, certificate, and purchase code. See, this theme doesn't function until unless you validate it with the license keys. I'll show you that as well. It got downloaded. So what I'll do is now I'll come back to this. So I purchased the theme, okay, and I have downloaded the theme as well. Now how will we put it in use is go back to appearance, themes. See, now I did not explain this. Here you have one more option, okay. So you can click on add themes, and it shows you so many themes, few tens of themes, right? You can pick one of this and you can start using them. But the problem is your website doesn't really look with the way how it is looking here. See, they want to sell these themes to you. So but when you start, see, let me install this and let me apply this theme and just check it out if your website looks like the same or not. It doesn't look the same. So I'm installing this. Even before I'm uploading a theme from Themeforest, let me try this as well. Yeah, I'm activating this. Okay, so I have activated. Okay, so now how do I? Yeah, refresh this. So you have to customize certain things. Click on customize. Even before this, let me try building a page. See, for your front page, this can be your blog post. This can by default show blog posts on your website, or you can set a new page. You will be setting a new page here under this options homepage setting. But now to set a new page, you have to build such page now, first thing. Correct? So we don't have such page. So what we will do is we'll click on add new from here, or we can better we go to the pages and build there first. So to pick one page to your home page, to bring in what you want to show to the home page, first you need to have such page on your pages section. So here under pages, all pages, so we have built one page right, yesterday. This one. Sample. Elementor. Oh, yesterday's I have deleted it. Today we have built this one. Okay, that's not built properly. Okay, your home page will be something like this. We did not build it properly. Okay, the home page is something like this. Okay, so I'm not happy with the work what I have done now. So what I decided is, let me install a theme. Okay, let's start using that theme is what I decided. Okay, so what I'll do is, I'll come to appearance, go to the themes, click on add new theme. So it shows you so many options here. You don't pick any of them. You have an option called upload theme. Click on upload theme, choose file. Yeah, so we just downloaded a theme that's showing up here. Correct, open it, install now. Are you all understanding this? Confused? A potentially unsafe operation has been detected in your request to this site. Your access to the service has been limited. HTTP response code shows directly if you think you have been blocked in error. Contact the owner of the site for assistance. Block technical data. So there is a service called WordPress, so which stops unauthorized activities on the website. See, it's finding this as a suspicious activity. Somebody is trying to access the website and trying to upload this, and it has by default blocked the website. Now, in these cases, what I'll do is, so the better option is we can connect by FTP and upload this file to the server. Okay, or we will log in and we will try to drop in that file here. Go to the cPanel. You know where your website is sitting, correct? Go to the file manager, or you can access this folder, your website folder, through control through FTP as well. So under public underscore HTML, this one, right? So click on. So your WordPress website is all there. Your file will be, your WordPress themes will be here. See, look at this themes. So what I'll do is, Cadence is which we have installed now, correct? So same way I want to upload a new theme in this place. So what I'll do is, I'll select files. See, this is when we use FTP or control panel to upload a file, where the WordPress did not allow to upload a file. This is a rare scenario, it doesn't really happen always. Yeah, it's done. Okay, but that's in the zip format, we have to extract that, unzip it. So how do we extract this? Click on extract. It's extracting, I guess. houses. So I think it will take some more time. It shows after extraction, it shows all the extracted file here. Yeah, you see here houses. Yeah, it was not there earlier. You will find difficulty to understand today. Go through the previous classes. I'll explain it to you again wherever you are listening. Okay. So now let's come back to this themes. You see here houses, live preview it. It will not show anything to you as you have seen on Themeforest in the live preview. Okay. So until unless you do the demo import, it doesn't really show you the way how it was displayed on Themeforest. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll simply activate and publish. See, create a listing. This is coming from the theme. Okay. So let me activate and publish first, and then I'll start. On activation, this theme would function the way how it should function. Okay. So now go back to your houses purchase code. Okay. So enter the purchase code. It might say that your purchase code is no more valid also, but let's see. Right, houses, license certificate and purchase code text. Save. So it doesn't function on multiple websites. One purchase code is valid for only one domain. See, in the past, we used to use that for multiple websites, and now they have built restrictions. If they build restrictions, people will purchase more themes, right? That's how their business will grow, correct? So let me validate it here. It might say it's already in use. Oh, it's verified, luckily. Okay. So now next thing, documentation plugins. Yeah. So now these are the plugins you are supposed to install in order to make your theme functional, right? So now to use all the features or the way how you have seen in the theme, these are so many things which you are installing now, right? And these are not easily available on the plugin section. Now after validating the purchase code, you're able to see them and you're able to install them, and some of them will be available on the plugin section as well, but not the full features, right? After installing this, building a website quickly, it's not a big deal. I'll show you how you can build it. This is most important. One click demo import. Elementor they are suggesting Elementor to be active. Install now. Slider revolution. Mailchimp. Install now. See, after installing all of this, you will start seeing all of those options to the left side. Activate now. Not only installing, we have to also activate them. See, this theme houses is using a Elementor plugin and building the themes. The paid version of the plugin would allow you to build the themes very easily. Okay, so we have activated almost all the plugins. What is next after activating? Okay, here you will see a demo import. Somewhere you will see the demo import option. See, it's not going to be the same. So when you purchase a new theme, for every theme that you purchase, the theme owner would have done it in a different way. The options, everything would have been different for each theme. It depends on the theme builder. Now we'll have to understand how to import the. So let's see how our website looks now. So it looks the same. There won't be any change because we haven't done the demo import still. So it's looking the same. Once you do the demo import, that's when your website will change. So for this now I have to understand how to do a demo import. Usually that will be under agents, under houses, plugin, footer, fields builder, condenses, booster, companies, import locations, documentation. See, there's so many options now to play around with this after installing this. Even I haven't used this theme. I have just purchased, and let me go back to the themes. So I'll have to understand now how to demo import, how to import the one-click import. 44 real estate website templates come packaged right inside. See, if I had not used other themes and done all of that, it would have shown me the options upfront. Now I have to understand uh, how to do it. They'll have the documentation here only. I'll close other themes. This is not houses. I'm trying to figure out where is the demo import option so that in just few clicks I'll be able to install the complete website as it is. So even before I query the internet or go to their documentation and figure it out, so I'm just trying to explore and find it out. So import the demo content. They must have explained it here thoroughly here. Houses demos are useful if you don't know. Okay, activate your copy and click the link. We have done these two steps. One is the theme is activated and all the required plugins are installed. Other plugins is recommended to disable all other plugins that are not required, such as plugins to create coming soon pages, plugins to manage the cache, plugins to manage SEO, etc. Requirements for demo importing WordPress 6.4, PHP 7.6 plus MySQL. See, these are the PHP is a programming language. MySQL is a database. WordPress 6.4 is a content management system. So these are the prerequisites for you to use this theme. Okay, maximum execution time. Okay, you will not get to know now. I'll tell you. Step one: navigate to houses. Demo import is the sidebar. Houses. Oh, for us the demo import is not showing at all. We are on houses. Uh-huh. No, no, no. So it should show the demo import now. Showing import locations, balances. Purchase code I have updated. See, as per them, CRM settings, documentation, feedback, demo import. So maybe we might have not activated that plugin import in one click. So plugins, install plugins. Let's see if we have activated that plugin or not. So on activation only it shows one click demo import. See, it's not activated. That's why it's not showing up. Okay. So after activating it, you will get to see. Even I did not realize that it's not activated. I just clicked activate, 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 and I missed clicking on activate for that particular. So now it shows demo import, right? Yeah. So which one do you want to import? This is the first design 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. See, there's so many designs. You can use one of these for your. See, the advantage of purchasing a theme is that you get so many designs pre-built, and most of the times they would have taken care of all the performance related things as well. So now I will do this. The first one, import demo. Carefully observe this, all of them, all of you. See, if it's a simple website, a very small website for a namesake website, probably they don't need any kind of functionality in the website. So in those cases, the using the starter templates, using their templates or using their artificial intelligence options would have helped you to build a web page. Correct? If not, if you want to do a custom website slightly different the way you want, you could have purchased one of the page builder, and you could have built a web pages on your own, correct? But now if you want to build a website which looks as good as 99 acres or magic bricks in terms of functionality, look and feel, everything, so the better option is purchase a theme something like this. So using starter templates, you can build a website for maybe a small restaurant, a saloon, or maybe a hardware shop. For them, the website doesn't play a prominent role in their business. For them, they must be getting a lot of offline business. They just need a website for namesake, just as a portfolio, but not really in order to optimize it for search engines, or they won't be doing aggressive marketing or spending a lot on marketing activities. But this kind of websites, now what we are importing, import demo, we have purchased the theme, right? So this will be a very professional. It's more about, see, those websites are also looking very professional. The problem is this website needs many more options for you to manage the respective type of content. Here, to manage the properties. To manage properties also, there are free plugins. I'll show you those as well. Okay. Any questions here, guys? If anybody has questions here? It's clear for all of you. So let's start importing the demo. Click on import demo. Yeah. See now, so your website, if you have to make your website functional, there are multiple things you have to do. You have to build about us page, contact us page, several number of pages, and you have to make sure that the contact forms are configured on contact us page or about us page or anywhere on the website. Correct? You have to build contact forms as well in a section called as contact forms, which we will explore, and understand how we do. But now you don't have to do any of those things. Automatically, along with these things, the forms are created by the theme seller. Those forms are automatically getting created here as well. You just have to configure your email ID over there. Themes all-in-one SEO plugin. They are using a SEO plugin. Monster Insights, the number one Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. Okay, so continue and import. Maybe we will select, after you import this demo, you will have to set up the sliders separately. Okay, so continue selecting this as well. Okay, is there anything else that we missed out, or should we select something? uh, yeah, continue and import. So green mark indicates it has imported them. Importing content, pages, about us, contact us, the category pages. There are various kinds of pages. If you have to spend time in building all that, you might take 1 month, 2 months also. Right now, all that is getting imported. See, demo content, you would see it importing properties pertaining to some random XYZ reason. So let's say Jersey, we were exploring the properties related to New Jersey, I guess. You would see all those also getting imported. You can delete them and you can upload properties belonging to Bangalore. Your content, your data. See now there are so many options to the left side. So when you installed WordPress, you did not add all these options, correct? So now in this class we have understood building simple websites and building complex websites as well on the WordPress. Correct? So we are also going to learn how to build an e-commerce website where you can that's very easy. Without even purchasing any theme, you can still sell the products online. But themes would help you with additional options or features. Themes. See, if I have to build such business website, I really don't spend time in searching for plugins available or any other options or themes, or I'll not try building myself. I'll simply buy a theme, right? So I have built recently. I have built it. I did not purchase. I purchased the theme, but using the theme builder option, I built this website completely in just 2 days. So this was all built manually by drag and drop options. Still, photos are all dummy. While building, we'll use some random photos. Once business owner provides actual photos, we'll upload actual photos. Yes, this is built in WordPress using a theme builder called Flatsum. I'll show you. I'll provide access to the Flatsum for everyone. Still importing. It's not showing the percentage how much it has imported. Okay. This is one of the best selling theme. See, I purchased the theme, but I am not using any options from the theme except their builder because that builder is not available outside. They don't sell only builder. Builder is part of the theme. So using that, I built a page something like this as well.
Sir, everything has to be purchased.
No, 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 not everything. Not everything. See, you don't have to see. That's what I showed you first. If you're building even if you're building a website like directories and all, you don't have to purchase the plugins for directory functionalities or property management plugins or product management like WooCommerce. You don't have to buy those plugins also. So now I don't wanted to waste time on all of those things. See, sometimes what happens is plugins will help you to get all that functionality needed for your website, but the look and feel may not be that great when you build it all by yourself. Correct? And also,
Yes, sir.
some of the functionalities you might still lack some of the functionalities for your website. Now,
Mm.
people have done a thorough research what is needed for a real estate business and what is needed for a e-commerce business, right? And they must have built everything that's needed already. They have packaged it already. Everything has been packaged properly, correct? And you can buy a ready-made theme. Buying a theme is completely optional, correct? You don't
Okay.
have to necessarily buy a theme and you don't have to buy anything at all. Just buy the hosting, buy the domain. That's what we did yesterday. If you look at yesterday's website, did we
Yes,
buy
yes.
anything apart from that?
No.
Today we have bought houses theme because I have no idea about. See, now the import is complete. Visit the site. You will be surprised to see how your website looks now. See, Pubman Kanda Distill. See, moreover, I don't want to waste much time, and spending 5,000 is not a big deal now. And in fact, this team when I bought would have been just 3,000 rupees. And sometimes there will be year-end offers, Christmas offers, New Year offers, and you would get it at much cheaper price also, right? So now look at this.
If you purchase also, is it like yearly or is it
No,
like
no, no,
forever it is
lifetime,
free?
lifetime, lifetime. This is for lifetime.
Lifetime.
So there is some issue, I guess, still. It has not really imported all the content, I guess. There is some error. See now, in case if we are going through any errors like this, and if we are not able to solve them, so when you have purchased a theme from them, they will support you. There will be a support. They will ask you to provide the password and username of your hosting, and they will fix everything for you. They will ensure that the theme settings things are not imported properly. Okay, so downloaded files, the import files for houses were successfully downloaded. Initial maximum execution time 600 files info. Widget file, customized file, not defined, regex file, houses options.
Uh, Sorry to ask.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
in case if we are giving our password and the username, don't you think so that we are giving security to them?
No, it's something
How
like
secure
this.
are we?
No, no, no. You're not giving you the admin access to them. You will be creating one user for them. Okay. So one user access to only this folder can be created from your cPanel. So we were yesterday, if you all recall, yesterday we created an FTP account, right? So FTP account access to only that specific folder, right? So even I had raised the same concerns. Eventually, I realized nothing is going to happen. See, they don't do anything on your site. First thing, second thing, you will be providing access only to that folder, and once the work is done, you are going to remove access to them. You understood?
Yes.
Did I answer your question, Sneha? Your Sneha's question is from Sneha, right? Sorry,
No,
not from
no,
Sneha. Sorry,
this is
from
Raika.
Raika. Raika. Okay, sorry. Sneha is a unique batch. Sorry. Yeah. So, see, it's not that you will always see these kinds of problems. Sometimes just Googling what it is and you will be able to fix them. Okay. Sometimes, see, now in the class, this needs some patience for me to manually, slowly, peacefully go through this and understand where the problem is. It says blog header.php 19 requires underscore once from some issue. Where it is. WP blog header.php 19. So basically here, when I go to that particular folder, so this is a PHP file. Somebody who understands PHP will be able to edit or do the changes. So if not, what we can do is we can uninstall and see we installed Elementor and we installed couple of other things. Sometimes there will be a conflict created and you will get to see certain kinds of issues happening on the website. And now it upfront displayed a error to us that it did not import the errors completely, have imported properly, but some things may not have imported properly. So theme settings, See, it's perfectly fine if it has not imported the properties. You would have got all the functionalities or features. You can start adding the properties from this section called real estate properties, new property. So when you add, they will start showing up on your homepage like how you see here. Okay. So at least you all understood how to import a theme, right? How to purchase a theme from Themeforest, how to import the demo content, right? See, if you are not importing demo content, when you purchase a theme, you will get all the options or the features that you see to the left side. And you have to again build your own web pages the way how we built. Okay. So you can add a property here, add title, add the description of the property, and related to property, you can add so many details. See map, property settings, property media, 360-degree virtual tour of the property, contact information, sliders, sublistings, floor plans of the property. You can upload the image here, the PDF files or image. Property documents can be added. Okay, so now it all shows you the way how you have seen in the demo. Demo, where is the demo? That's houses. Oh, it's a theme documentation, but okay. Again, I have to take you to the theme. Okay. So after updating all these details, you will get to see this showing up on the new property that you're going to add. See, I don't have those property related documents, fields, nothing. So we won't be able to publish, add and publish property, or even if we publish, we won't be able to see the way how it looks. So hence, I'm going to show it to you here, how your property page would look like. So if you publish any property, it looks like this on your home page. You have to provide all these kinds of details: how many bedrooms are there, bathrooms, car parking, the total square feet, everything. So your property will be shown like this. After publishing, you get to see all the details like this. Okay, so they have uploaded floor plans here. No, so this will be the default form for all the pages. So for lead generation, these pages will help. This is what a property seller would look for, correct? He wants to provide all kinds of details around the property. That's when he will be able to project himself as the best property seller company, correct? If he's simply putting the property name and one image and nothing on the page, it doesn't really make an impact, correct? It's not effective. So now creating these kind of pages, not difficult for you, correct? It has all the options. You just have to update the information. Yeah. And you did not add any of these features without this theme, correct? Yeah. So there is one more. Yeah. So now I'd like to show you my favorite builder. I don't like Elementor. Okay. And I used to a builder called Flagsum. I'll show you that Flagsum builder as well. But so far, whatever we have discussed, you all understood, right? We are installing the WordPress application content management system. The content management system is helping us to download themes, install themes, install plugins, correct? Plugins for various functionalities needed for your website. Themes, it gives you a new HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which will give a complete new look, different from that what you are building, correct? The alternate method of building your website could be using one of the templates available under the appearance section, themes section, or you can use another plugins like starter templates and you can build a theme, correct? And if you want, if you don't want to spend time in researching on the plugins, see what all you see here, these options or the features, maybe you will be able to find some plugins which might help you in certain things, but it might not give you the complete information like how you see here, right? So that's why simply we are going and purchasing a, we are just finding, browsing through few tens of themes and understanding which is suitable for the business and purchasing the theme and we are installing it, correct? One more thing is, now for your website you need additional functionalities. Let me show it to you here now. See, for my website I need a valid feature or option. It did not come with the theme. I purchased one theme but it did not come with the theme. So what I have done, I have separately went to the plugin section. See, it's not compulsory, right? Along with your phone you might see just Google Chrome installed, correct? Or one or two Google search installed, correct? A very few by default installed on your phone. Later whichever you need you will be installing it, correct? So now if you look at this, there is something called as Terra Wallet. I have purchased a theme called Flatsum, but that Flatsum theme did not give me everything that's needed. Eventually I started adding the features to my website by downloading different kinds of plugins from plugin section, right? So so this is basically what this plugin does is when somebody signs up an account, it automatically credits some amount to their wallet. They can use that money and they can order the product. And for every order that they do, they will get 5% money cashback to their wallet. So if they have purchased 5,000 worth of products, 5 5 are 25, 250 rupees will come to their wallet again. In the next order, they can use this 250 rupees. This is one part. Next part is, so if they are sending their reference link, you all remember that Ola, Uber was doing that. If you had shared your reference link, you will get the free rides or credits to your wallet. Same way it functions exactly the same. So what happens is, so when you go to your profile and share the link to your friends or in WhatsApp in some your network, if anybody clicks on that link and purchases the product, 10% of their purchase value. If they are ordering products worth of 5,000 rupees, 10% of 5,000 is 500. 500 gets added to your wallet. All these functionalities did not come with the theme. Okay, so I installed a separate plugin called Terra Wallet, and it just started enabling the feature for my website. So now look at this, customers, repeat customers who are ordering again and again, their wallet has this much money. So many customers has money in their wallet. Do you see all that? Correct. In the next order, he must be purchasing products worth of 2,000 rupees and he can use this 900 credits and he can purchase the products. Correct. So I'll show you now. So what I'll do is in tomorrow's class, I will explain you about the flat sum editor. That's when you will get the complete picture. So now you must have, you would have got confused in certain things. Sorry. Yeah. So you must have felt like that you understood, but if you have to go and do it, you might still find certain amount of difficulty. Correct? So you will get clarity in the tomorrow's class when we start using Flatsum editor or any other editor, and what we're going to do is we're going to build some web pages. Second thing, what we will do is we will again install a new instance and we will launch a new e-commerce website. Okay, it's not done by here. We are yet to explore a lot many things. This will take another 3 classes, at least 3 to 5 classes at least. Okay, yeah. Anybody has any questions? Anybody has questions? Any doubts? No. Diksha, Soumya, no questions. Okay. So here offline, anybody has any questions? Okay. Okay. So can we wind it up for today? We'll connect back tomorrow again. Okay. See, for now it will be everything. Something you are getting to see something, but you are not getting enough clarity. You will get enough clarity. What I'll do is I'll provide you access to the WordPress. Yes, I'll let you all to practice at least 1 or 2 days, and you have to come up with the questions every time. So whenever you do something, whenever you learn something, so now you are learning WordPress website development, right? So I'll allow for you to practice it for few days, at least 2 days or 3 days, and so that you come up with all the questions, doubts, we'll clear them, and then we'll proceed to the next topics. Next topic would be once you have website, what is next? Driving the business, right? I'm generating the leads, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. Thanks everyone for your time. Yeah. See you all of you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. Bye.